Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have the best packing cubes for your diaper bag. The Remobia Hicol TSA approved 5-piece diaper bag organizer pouch set. If you're a parent or someone who often travels with babies, this product is a game changer for keeping everything organized and easily accessible. The Remobia Hicol set comes with 5 clear, waterproof TPU pouches that are perfectly designed for diapers, wipes, clothes, and other essential baby items. What sets this set apart is the eco-friendly TPU material. Unlike traditional PVC, TPU is soft, durable, and more environmentally friendly. Plus, it's resistant to stains and odors, which makes it an ideal choice for baby-related products. The best part is that these pouches are transparent, meaning you can see exactly what's inside without having to unzip every bag, saving you precious time during travel. One of the standout features of these pouches is that they're TSA approved, making them perfect for family trips. Whether you're traveling by plane or packing your diaper bag for a trip to the park, you'll find these bags to be the perfect size and shape to organize all your baby's necessities. They're designed to fit comfortably in your diaper bag, making them convenient for everyday use or travel. Another thing you'll love is how easy it is to keep everything clean. The TPU material is simple to wipe down, ensuring that your bags remain fresh and hygienic, even after a long day of use. These pouches are also water resistant, so if there's an unexpected spill, you don't have to worry about your items getting soaked. The Remobia Hicol organizer set comes in a cute dinosaur design, adding a fun and playful touch to your diaper bag. This design is not only practical but also appealing, making it a great gift for new parents or anyone looking for a cute yet functional storage solution for baby essentials. If you're looking for a way to stay organized while managing the chaos of traveling with a baby, these packing cubes are a must-have. With 5 different sizes, you can separate diapers, snacks, wipes, and even baby clothing into their own compartments. This helps you stay organized, so you can grab what you need without any hassle. Overall, the Remobia Hicol 5-piece diaper bag organizer pouch set is the best choice for parents who need a reliable, functional, and stylish solution for their baby's essentials. It's durable, TSA approved, and easy to use, perfect for any family on the go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the latest products to help make your life easier.